Yeah, it's off balance. You'll see in a little bit on one of the blades probably got hit or something. Wow. This one's got a little bit of rust on it too. Looks like some of the brass. Looks like that some of the brass came off of the brackets. And this is how it was when I found it. All they did.
2357 was your Uber total today?
Yeah. Alright. That's medium there. That should be low. Ah. Oh. Damn chain. Okay, now let's show it. There we go. You see how slow it's running? You might be able to see the bent blade. Look at that. So this is how it was when I found it. It didn't come with a mount, nor the motor housing, or a canopy, I should say. It didn't come with a canopy, nor did it come with the mount.